Hey glam dolls, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm so excited to share with you all a new wig that I just got. Now wait, it's a new wig for me, it's not new to YouTube. In fact, she's been all over YouTube, but she's new to me, getting her from seeing her all over YouTube. Now I'm talking about the infamous Cloud 9 HD lace wig. Oh my gosh, oh my. So wait, before I get too far into this video, if you happen to be a newbie that is passing through, seeing me for the very first time, well, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget that loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss what I be sharing here on this channel. You don't want to do that, which is like today's video. Oh my gosh. So like, as I was saying, I'm just excited to finally get my hands on her, because when I tell you this wig was selling out and stay sold out, it was sold out on all wig websites, including Amazon, honey. Yeah, it was that serious. So when you get her out of the packaging, you know, first of all, she's in the color light ash, and the color kind of threw me off just a little bit, because although it's the same as what's on the packaging, it don't quite look the same in person as to what's on the packaging. So I was a teeny bit disappointed with that aspect. I already cut the lace, but this is what she looks like on the inside. She has two combs in the temple, okay? She has a comb in the nape of the neck, and she also have adjustable straps right here. And the wig cap size is pretty moderate, whatever. And you can see that she is, I believe, a 13, oh, she's a 13 by 6 parting space. So all of this lace right here is what's able to be styled where you can part it any direction in which you choose to go. So yeah, she does tangle a little bit, okay? She does tangle a little bit, and I'm gonna try her on right now, because all I did was cut the lace to get her out for the video. Oh my gosh, I'm excited, but I'm also nervous. Here we go. Let me put it on. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to work with this one for a little bit. Honestly speaking, I'm looking in my mirror over here. I know I need to, you know, lay her down and whatever, but just on first impressions on putting her on my head, I'm not 100% sold on her, okay? My excitement is kind of dwindling down, so before it gets too far down, let me play, you know, finesse her a little bit, and I'm just gonna come back to y'all in, for you, just a sec, but for me, a few minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the thing. I don't like her. I don't like her. She's giving me too much work to do. She's giving me too much work to do. I'm not no wig guru or anything like that, but I do wear a plethora of wigs, and this one just was not looking to work with me or for me or anything to that retrospect. I just added a headband and decided to call it the day. I didn't even bother adding accessories or whatnot. But hey, you know, it didn't work for me. Don't mean it can't work for you. It just means this wig don't work for me. But I'm still willing to share her with you all. I mean, she's a great color, you know, just not a color for me, but she could be a color for you. And this is what she looks like, okay, on the packaging. And the color I have is light ash brown, and you know, the sad part for me is she's brand new. I just got her, but I'm gonna put her in my Poshmark closet because I have a Poshmark where I sell a lot of my pre-loved wigs. So I'm just gonna add her in there as like new, just tried on and worn, and I'm gonna sell her back to, you know, get my money back for this wig, because yeah, somebody probably looking for her like I was looking for her, and I honestly didn't wear her. I just tried her on. But enough of that. So here's what Glenna looked like in the front. You know, this is her in the front. This is her from the back. You might see the scarf because I, you know, like I said, I did a headband tie. But for the most part, I mean, she's cute for what it is. I'm not going to badmouth her like that just because she didn't work for me. She is a great wig to have. And the hairline, when it comes to me, I don't glue my wigs down. Not by glue, not by the freeze spray, got to be, or hair gel. I don't do that. I like glueless wigs. So that's another reason why she didn't work for me, because when I come in like right here, see, like, I don't know, because she's a HD lace, I feel this lace is that much softer, and with it being that much softer, it's going to move in or lift on the sides like that. So that's just what it is. I'm okay with it doing that for me and my preference, because at the end of the day, for my preference, I'm not looking to say, oh, I grew this out my scalp. I'm looking for it to match my mood, my outfit, like my sweatshirt right here. Look what this say. Don't ever go back to 2020. We all know what happened in 2020. Huh. But anyhow, so when it comes to me with wigs, it's, you know, I'm not trying to pretend it grew out my scalp or say that it did or imply that it did. I'm just looking for it to look nice. I'm looking for it to coordinate with my outfit, the mood, the venue, or whatever I got going for the day. Like, you know, so it don't bother me that the side is lifting, because I would just use the scarf. But even with the scarf, I'm just not liking the overall, I'm just not liking it overall. But like I said, just because this don't work for me, don't mean it can't work for you. And on that note, this is going to conclude the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Details and information about Glenna will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check there for its details. And if you happen to be looking for her and you having a hard time getting her in this color, and you can finesse her way better than I did, she will be down in my description box below with a direct link to my Poshmark closet, where you'll be able to pick her up, because she is brand new. Literally, all I did was cut the lace off of her and tried her on for this video. Seriously, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.